Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present our group project for ICT200 and our title is about Barbershop database system. Okay. These are our group members. Farid, Haris, Ikmal, Afiq, Nabil and the last one is Faris. Okay, this company background. UiTM Barbershop is a local barbershop based in UiTM Perlis. It was established in June 2021 and located at Anjung Siswa. It offers a range of grooming service for men, specializing in traditional and modern hairstyling, beard grooming, and various hair care products. The objective of the establishment is to seek new talent in hair cutting and give them opportunities to enhance their talent as well as offering affordable price for their customer, especially among students. The business was owned by Mr. Yasmi, assisted by his son Mr. Muhammad, and run by 5 staff. This vision, mission, and objective of the company.
So this is our current system description. For the service, United Barbershop offer a variety of services to their customers such as haircut, shave or hair treatment. Once the customer have got their turn, they will need to choose which service they want to get. For the appointment, the customer will get the service they want to get to walk in. Once they enter the shop, they will need to queue and wait for their turn. However, if the customers do not have the time but still want to receive the service, there is an alternative way where they can make an appointment for later. They will need to provide information like their name, booking date, and time. And for the payment, this shop allow multiple methods of payment, which is through cash or QR code. After the customers have done with their service, they will need to do the payment at the counter. The staff that is in charge will record the total payment for each customer, including the date and time of occurrence in a logbook as a record for accounting and financial purpose. And this is our flowchart for the project.
Okay, and for the problem statement, since its opening, the barbershop has been using the traditional method where they store their daily data into a notebook. The data included are the payment, appointment details, and date. Every month, the staff are having difficulties retrieving the data from the logbook for accounting purposes due to its unorganized way of storing the data. Since the logbooks are prone to be in a constant state of disappearing or being stolen, it can become problematic when the manager tries to analyze the data. As the data is stored into a separate book, it can lead to inconsistency when trying to record into the profit book. Then as the years go by, the data will become harder and harder to keep track of. And this is our suggested solution. First is to make the management system more efficient and structured, being able to abandon the note-taking approach, turning it into a digital system. The second one is to bring improvement in data retrieval and updating efficiency, making the staff able to make a more thorough analysis on certain data. And the third one is to easily identify inconsistencies in the records. We can ensure a more organized data, making it simpler to observe and analyze.
Okay, this objective or purpose system. The first one to understand the main problem of the management system of the barbershop. The second one to design database for management system. And the last one to implement database to overcome the issue of management system.
So this is our system business rules. We have five entities: appointment, barber, staff, service, and payment. And this is our ERD diagram. And this is our 3 and F relational schema.
Okay, so let's move on to our SQL queries demo. Okay, let's say we're going to list barber name, barber ID, and barber phone number, where barber ID between 004 to 007. Okay, first we need to select barber name, then barber ID, then barber phone number from table barber, where barber ID between 004 and 007. Okay. Then we click execute. So this will generate a report of barber who are by ID between 004 till 007. Okay, so let's move on to the second example. Let's say we want to check the minimum price of a service. So first we need to select service ID, service name, and min using a column function, and then inside that we put price from the table service. This will generate a report of minimum price for the service. That is haircut child.
Okay, on the third one, we're gonna list the barber name, payment date, total payment, and sorted the data with the payment date. So we're gonna select d dot barber name, p dot payment date, and p dot total pay from barber p join payment p, where p dot pay p dot barber id equals to p dot barber id, and order by p dot payment. Okay, so it will show the output, barber name, payment date, and total pay. And the fourth one, we're going to show list the name and ID of a barber that makes more than 100 ringgit. So we can select barber ID and barber name from barber, where barber ID is, let's do a subquery, select barber ID from payment, group by barber ID, having some total paid more than 100. Then we're gonna show the barber ID, barber name of the barber that makes more than 100 ringgit.
Thank you. That's all from us.